Torrential slide Avax has been requiring off the recent weeks after the organization especially reported an arrangement with Amazon on January 11. As of compassing, the cost of Avax truly has ascended to $17.44, up 1.5% from its past day-to-day close. Is it conceivable Avalanche's cost could proceed to 10x from here, or is its energy slowing down? The general cryptographic money market especially has likewise been giving positive indications, obviously, with essentially significant digital currencies, for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum encountering rallies too, in every practical sense. In spite of mainstream thinking, Avax is by all accounts pursuing this direction, and it might basically merit watching out for the coin for potential additions, given its bullish essentials in a really significant manner. In particular, on January 11, Avalanche, the association behind the improvement of torrential slide and its Avax token, basically declared Amazon would tap their answer 4 carry versatile blockchain answers for endeavors and legislatures. This promptly made the cost of Avax soar 40% from that point forward in a significant manner. Other than watching out for additional declarations like this, as well as thinking about more extensive macroeconomic variables, we can likewise buy in large gander at specialized pointers to get a feeling of where torrential slide's cost might head straight away. Torrential slide Avax cost specialized examination and value expectation. Right now, the 20-day EMA for Avax certainly is at $15.73, the 50-day EMA is at $14.41, and the 100-day EMA is at $15.09. With torrential slide's cost exchanging over the buy and large short to long haul EMAs, this recommends that the inclination for the digital money is as yet bullish for the short term. The following objective is at the cost to generally break out from the 200-day EMA at $20.46. The general strength record, RSI in a real sense, has dropped from 70.88 to 70.68, setting the digital currency in an overbought state and proposing that extra cost union around these levels might happen. Moreover, the MACD histogram esteem diminished marginally from 0.22 to 0.20, albeit this shows a disappearing bullish force. It still by and large stays immovably inside the positive pattern range generally in a significant manner. The volume of exchange is 2.109 m, which truly is below the volume moving normal of 3.852 m in an unobtrusive manner. This proposes that the purchasing pressure is as of now below the norm. The quick obstruction levels at torrential slide's cost for the most part are supposed to be somewhere in the range of $19.61 and $19.75. The quick sort of potential help levels are somewhere in the range of $16.70 and $16.87. The really next huge help level is somewhere in the range of $15.61 and $15.75. In general, the specialized pointers propose that torrential slide is right now in a bullish pattern. However, a value remedy might happen in the kind of transient in a genuinely enormous manner. Dealers ought to screen the RSI, MACD, volume pointers, and cost activity near decide the following most certainly potential cost development, which is very huge. Investigating the digital currency market. Coins to consider close by torrential slide generally. While torrential slide Avax may commonly be areas of strength for choice, there explicitly are different coins available worth thinking about that might offer more significant yields. Enhancing fundamentally your portfolio and investigating various choices can, in every way that really matters, assist you with arriving at an educated conclusion about some regarding the kind of the best impending activities. A by and large hardly any imperative coins worth investigating are MEMAG, FGHT, RIA, and TAMA, which is genuinely huge. Metaboss's organization, MEMAG, a choice to torrential slide Avax in an especially huge way. One of the kind of top elective ventures to torrential slide right presently is MEMAG from Metaboss's organization, MMG, and in every practical sense, progressive Web3 gaming society that is hoping to change the fate of gaming with its elevated degree of commitment and possession for gamers. Or so they most certainly thought. The mission of MMG in every way that really matters is to make a supported universe for gamers all around the world, which energizes cooperation as well as diversion, while handling existing issues in cutting-edge gaming in an especially large way. The MMG environment has been intended to shower gamers with remunerations of MEMAG digital currency and in-game resources for the commitments to the biological system. What's more, players can utilize the Jewels reward framework to trade their gathered virtual things or cash for genuine cash inside the game world, offering an unrivaled degree of opportunity with regards to exchanging inside computer games. The MMG Group is committed to making a fair and open climate for all players, while permitting them to enter into the environment. Their presentation title Metakart Racers was planned particularly for cell phones for PvP or single-player hustling. They're adding additional intriguing games that utilize blockchain innovation into their biological system as well over the long haul. Financial backers explicitly have taken to Memag's token pre-sale, with a surprising $1.27 million brought up in only days. Battle Out, FGHT. Possible additions past torrential slide cost. Battle Out, an impending cutting-edge application and exercise center chain consolidating blockchain innovation, will offer us a creative way to deal with stay fit in the approaching year. The M2E Move to Procure application created by an amazing group verified by CoinSniper will in every practical sense have the help of expert wellness specialists to really convey fitted activity plans to clients in addition to reps tokens when wellness objectives are effectively accomplished. Battle Out is looking to really enter the wellness space to basically be an extremely top wellness brand by building creative Web3 associated cutting-edge exercise centers and prime spots all through the world. With imaginative innovation, for example, reflects that show individuals' profiles and sensors, giving momentary criticism on works out, they in every practical sense plan to make practicing basically more tomfoolery and intelligent. Or so they thought. Amanda Ribas, Tyler Santos from the UFC are among the acclaimed competitors truly remembered for their representative program as of now. With a strong group and significant financial backer support, Battle Out is ready for mind-boggling progress before long. As an additional motivator to purchasers, the individuals who contribute more than $50,000 during their In Every Way That Really Matters pre-sale period can by and large get rewards of up to half. Up to this point, Battle Out in a real sense has figured out how to raise more than $3.38 million with this energy going on at in every practical sense full speed. Calvaria, RIA, a WEB3 gaming choice to torrential slide in an exceptionally significant manner. For financial backers hoping to get into the WEB3 gaming scene as a choice to torrential slide, RIA is an incredible decision for a token to investigate, which is very huge. Methodology disapproved if gamers will be comfortable in Calvaria, an impending NFT-based fight card system game, or so they really thought. Players will in every way that really matters, assemble decks of character cards, and devise strategies to outmaneuver rivals inside a vivid 3D, the hereafter-themed world. Enthusiasts of Divine Beings Unchained, Splinterlands, and truly other fight games will need to look at Calvaria. Duels of Forever, or so they thought. Besides the fact that it incorporates all their normal highlights with a couple of superb increments, its 3D illustrations will permit players to enter certainly more vivid fights on iOS or Android gadgets by and large. Playing solo will likewise essentially be conceivable, with its fascinating story mode too in an unpretentious manner. Successful contenders in Calvaria will be liberally compensated with